Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to put ledger accounts step by step. A ledger account is a fundamental record in accounting, summarizing all transactions for a specific asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expense item. It helps track the financial flow, providing a clear picture of each account's balance. Understanding these accounts is crucial for accurate financial reporting and analysis. Setting up your ledger accounts correctly is the next vital step. Each account needs a clear, descriptive title so you know exactly what it represents. Assigning a unique account number helps with organization, especially as your business grows. Then, structure your ledger with columns for the date, a description of the transaction, a reference, and separate columns for debits and credits. Hey everyone, taking a quick pause here. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's talk about recording transactions. First, analyze each transaction to determine which accounts are impacted. Remember, every transaction involves at least 2 accounts. Then, post the corresponding debits and credits to the correct ledger accounts. It's essential that total debits always equal total credits to maintain the accounting equation and ensure your books remain balanced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.